Ready to elevate your future? The Porter Engineering Program is your pathway to innovation, achievement, and real-world success. Get hands-on experience with activities, projects, and problem-based learning experiences, providing opportunities for all students to transfer knowledge to real-world problems. Earn the NOCT certification, an industry-recognized credential that proves students have the technical knowledge and skills employers value. The engineering program also empowers students through Technology Student Association, where they develop leadership, teamwork, and career readiness by competing in STEM challenges, conferences, and events.
And now, your winners for high school fashion design and technology from Gladys Porter.
Join a program designed to make you industry ready in a wide range of in-demand engineering careers. Start your CTE journey at Porter Early College High School. Your future in engineering begins here.